People who use the direct preference when influencing others tend to take charge and push for action. Direct people are confident, straightforward, and openly present their point of view or opinions. And when they do, they'll express themselves in a candid, frank, no-nonsense manner. Direct individuals are strong-willed, very convincing, and rather forceful at times. When directs want action, and they usually do, they'll tend to use a tell rather than an ask manner of speaking. This can make their requests come across as commands. Do this, move that, bring me that report. Even when they're trying to be super polite, their form of please do that can still sound like a demand. That's in part because they're confident and they convey their ideas with self-assured voice tone and direct eye contact. They'll keep their focus right on you and what they want.